Hi, I'm gonna be doing the egg white and toilet paper face mask. I have no clue. I'm just really bored. So, what you do is get an egg white and put it in a bowl. And you gotta make it to where it's, hold on. I feel really retarded. Hold on. I'm bored and I'm out of school, so why not do this at 11 o'clock in the morning? Okay, well, you're supposed to mix it until it gets really bubbly, but I can't tell if it's frothy, bubbly, whatever you want to call it, at this moment. Hold on, I'm almost done. So it should look something like that. Right, hold on. Okay, I gotta take my glasses off. You're just gonna put it, it's for blackheads. So, sorry, I have to mix it before I put it on. You're supposed to take it, because I'm a freak and you know I'm bored. So, you have to take some of the egg whites, and put it on where you have the, what's it called? Can't think of the word. Blackheads. Alright, you're going to put it on where you need it. Then you're going to take toilet paper and put it on where you put the egg wash. I feel like Michael Jackson. Alright, then I look retarded. Then you let that sit for a couple minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Alright, I'm gonna start taking it off now. Let's hope to God it worked. You're supposed to let it sit for a while, but I don't feel like having egg whites on my head. So then after you do that, now my head feels weird. You go and wash your face off. So yeah, that's me doing the egg white challenge, I guess. Not challenge. Acne face wash. My face is actually pretty soft. Well, I gotta go wash it. Be right back. And then, yeah, my face is still kind of, but, and then you put, what's it called, lotion on your face, moisturizer, and you, that's all you do. So, bye.